Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma printer, and I'm going to show you about the error light which blinks 5 times on the control panel. Now go to the control panel. So it's flashing 5 times and both error light and black ink cartridge light is flashing same time and same number. So we are going to solve this problem today. Open the ink cartridge chamber, which is here. Push the lock down of the black ink cartridge as the light was flashing for it. If it is for color ink cartridge, remove the color ink cartridge. If it's for both ink cartridges, remove both ink cartridges. Now make sure you just check if the ink cartridge is clean properly, and now we have to reinstall it properly. Push it until the end and then lock it. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to the display panel to see if there is any error. So here we can see the error is cleared. There is no error now. That means ink cartridge was not installed properly and now it's working. There is no error. Thanks for watching.